Chapter 1. The Mystery of the Inner Voice. You've probably noticed how your mind can feel like a constant radio, an endless stream of thoughts and worries. Castaneda called this the internal dialogue and believed it saps our vital energy and prevents us from seeing reality as it truly is. To learn how to stop this stream, try a simple exercise. Sit in a calm place and focus on your breathing. If thoughts start to distract you, don't judge yourself. Simply bring your attention back to your breath. Over time, you'll notice that the pauses between thoughts grow longer, while a quiet confidence and clarity emerge within. Many who practice this regularly report a significant rise in their energy levels, becoming more energetic, calm, and better able to understand what they truly want from life. Perhaps this is exactly what you've been missing. Chapter 2. Reviewing the Past. Recapitulation. My friend, let's imagine that certain events from your past still weigh you down like a heavy burden. Castaneda claimed that such memories hold on to a portion of your energy, and you can reclaim it through a practice known as recapitulation. Choose a situation that triggers strong emotions for you. Close your eyes and mentally relive it, but this time don't get lost in the feelings. Acknowledge that it's only a fragment of your memory. Imagine that with each inhale, you're pulling back your energy, and with each exhale, you're releasing worry and heaviness. Many people who have mastered this technique say they feel lighter and clearer, as though freed from old shackles. Give it a try. This practice may open new horizons for you. Please don't confuse it with Stoicism. This is a different approach, focused on dealing with the past. Chapter 3. Intent. The force that changes reality. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve their goals with ease while others seem stuck? Castaneda believed that it all comes down to intent, a profound force connecting you with the entire universe. It's not just a wish, but rather an energetic channel through which you can influence reality, one of the most essential conditions for self-improvement. Try this small experiment. Focus on a specific goal, visualizing it as if it's already been accomplished. Picture yourself in that situation where success is a done deal. Adopt that feeling of certainty as if it has happened. Over time, you'll start to notice signals and opportunities you never saw before. Many who work with intent say they become more effective in their pursuits and observe mysterious coincidences, as though the universe is aligning with their goals. Chapter 4. Lucid Dreaming. Entering other worlds. Dreams aren't just a way for your mind to rest. According to Castaneda, they can be gateways to other worlds that are just as real as ours, but follow different laws. Lucid dreaming, when you realize you're asleep and can act within the dream, lets you explore these realms and even obtain answers to questions that trouble you during waking life. Before going to bed, give yourself a clear intention. Tonight, I will become aware that I'm dreaming. If you succeed, try to find your hands in the dream. This is a classic technique described by Castaneda. It's believed that by locating your hands, you reinforce the connection to your body and maintain control. Many people who've mastered lucid dreaming say that not only have they become more creative, but they've also learned to sense upcoming events that once seemed unexpected. Chapter 5. Mastering Attention. The Key to Seeing. Have you ever thought about why some people spot opportunities where others only see problems? Castaneda taught that it's all about attention. When you concentrate on something, you direct your energy there. If your attention is scattered, some of that energy is lost. Try this technique. Light a candle and gaze at its flame, doing your best not to get distracted by anything else. Let the rest of the world vanish for a few minutes. At first, it may seem difficult, but gradually you'll learn to focus more deeply. Many who've practiced this say they began to notice subtle details around them, understand situations more clearly, and make better decisions. Chapter 6. Shifting the Assemblage Point, a forbidden art. Among Castaneda's teachings are truly enigmatic concepts, such as the Assemblage Point, a notional spot in our energetic field that determines how we perceive the world. Shifting this point can radically alter perception, granting access to other realities. However, Castaneda stressed that only a select few can master this practice, those who have attained great knowledge and extensive experience. There are no definitive instructions, just indications that it's possible. For everyone else, it's a reminder that reality is far broader and more complex than it appears. If you can take self-improvement to its highest level, this secret may reveal itself to you. Chapter 7. Breathing Practices for Building Energy. Have you noticed that sometimes a simple deep breath can make you feel better? Castaneda pointed out that breathing is a powerful way to accumulate energy. Try this method. 1. Sit upright and relax your shoulders. 2. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 3. Hold your breath for a count of 4. 4. Exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Imagine that with each inhale you draw in the energy of the universe, concentrated within yourself during the hold, and with each exhale you let go of fatigue. This technique can dramatically boost your inner energy, bring mental clarity, and have a very positive impact on your physical well-being. Chapter 8. Personal Power. Confidence in every step. Do you sometimes feel as if you are not in control of a situation but just drifting along? Castaneda spoke of developing what he called personal power, a combination of will, attention, and energy that enables you to act with poise and awareness. Start small. When you do something, whether it's cooking or cleaning, immerse yourself fully in the moment. Don't let your mind wander. Over time, you'll notice you feel more focused, better able to handle your reactions, and more like the master of your own life. Chapter 9. Direct Perception of Energy. Picture yourself seeing not the outward shape of people or objects, but their energetic essence. Castaneda asserted that seers reach this level of perception when their attention and intent are strong enough. Close your eyes and imagine an energetic field pulsating around you. Visualize streams of light connecting everything. At first, it may feel like pure fantasy, but with regular practice, you'll start to notice subtle changes in how you perceive the world. Your intuition will sharpen and your understanding of processes around you will deepen. Chapter 10. Tensegrity for Releasing Blocks. In Castaneda's later works, most notably in Magical Passes, he describes a set of movements known as tensegrity. These help free up stagnant energy in the body and restore its natural flow. Envision a series of smooth turns, arm swings, and bends carried out mindfully, with your attention on bodily sensations. Many who practice tensegrity mention feeling a sense of lightness afterward, a surge of energy, and a deeper understanding of themselves. If this approach interests you, let me know in the comments. I'll explain it in more detail. Conclusion. All these practices represent just the tip of the iceberg in Castaneda's teachings and form one of the crucial steps on the path to self-improvement. They can help you break free from limiting beliefs, learn to manage your energy, and open the doors to new realms of perception. Naturally, this takes patience and time, but the changes you can experience are well worth it. I hope this video has motivated you. If any particular method caught your attention, feel free to let me know. I'll prepare a separate episode with detailed instructions and share how I understand and apply them. Keep exploring, working on yourself, and learning. The world is far larger and more fascinating than it first appears.